Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Worldwide Tutoring. Today this video is about exponential equations. In exponential equations, when the bases are same, the powers become equal, and we applying this, we can solve for x. So the question number 1 is 2 to the power x equals 64. So first we have to write as a same base. So 2 to the power x equals 64 in the base. As a base 2, we can write 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8 times 2, 16 times 2 is 32 times 2 is 64. So 2 to the power we can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 to the power 6. Clear? This value equal to 64 and base is same. So when bases are same, powers become equal. So here power is x, here is 6. So x equals 6. Next question, 2 to the power x plus 3 equals 128. So 2 to the power x plus 3 equals, for 128 we can write as 6 is 164, 60 and 2 to the power 7. Okay. You can check 64 times 2 is 128. So now we have the same base here 2 and powers become equal. So here power is x plus 3 equals 7. So x equals, take 3 on the other side. So positive 3 becomes negative 3. So 7 minus 3. So x equals 4. 5 to the power x minus 1 over 25 equals 1. So we have to make the same base. So for 5 to the power x minus 1, we write as it is. For 25, we can write as 5 to the power 2 equals 1. So when we divide with the same base, powers are subtracted. So this power minus power 2, x minus 1 minus 2. So we can write 5 to the power, common base is 5. So power up, the top is x minus 1, subtract 2, bracket 2, minus 2, equals, for 1 we can write, we have to make the same base. Any number to the exponent 0 equals 1. Okay. So 5 to the power 0 equals 1. So we can write here 5 to the power 0 to make the same base. Any number to the exponent like 3 to the power 0 equals 1. So we can write for 1 5 to the power 0. Now we have the same base, powers become equal. So we have x minus 1 minus 2 equals 0. That is x minus 3 equals 0. X equals 3. Take 3 on other side, negative 3 become positive 3. And you can check this answer. X value plug 3 here. So x value 3, 3 minus 1 is 2. So 5 to the power 2, 5 to the power 2, the answer is 1. We cancel, answer is 1. Okay. The next question is 4 to the power x minus 2 plus 1 equals 5. So we write here 4 to the power x minus 2. Take 1 on other side, positive 1 becomes minus 1. So 4 to the power x minus 2 becomes 5 minus 1 is 4. So base is same, powers become equal. So no power means x to 4 to the power 1. So we can write x minus 2 equals 1. So x equals negative 2, take on other side, become positive 2. So 2 plus 1, so x equals 3. You can check this answer. Write here x value 3. So 3 minus 2 is 1. Here you can write x value is 3. So 3 minus 2 is 1. So 4 to the power 1. So it is satisfying the expression. Next is 2 to the power x plus 5 equals 2 to the power 2x minus 1. So already we have same base here. So write this exponent equals to this. So x plus 5 expression equal to 2x minus 1. Bring all x one side. So sign changes. So x minus 2x equals positive 5. If you take on other side, it becomes negative 5 minus 1. So x minus 2x is negative x equals negative 6. So divide by negative 1. So x equals 6. And check this answer. For x, you can write 6 here. So 6 plus 5 is 11. And if you write for x 6, 2 times 6, 12 minus 1, 11. So it is correct. So like this, you can check the answer. Next, 2 to 27 to the power x minus 2 equals 3 to the power x plus 4. Here bases are not same. We have to make the same base. For 27, we can write as base 3. So 3 to the power what we will write? 3 times 3, 9 times 3 is 27. So 3 to the power 3 we can write for 27. And this expression we write as it is. Equals 3 to the power x plus 4. Now we have the same base, so this expression equals to this. So 3x minus 2 equals x plus 4. So expand this, so it becomes 3x minus 6 equals x plus 4. Bring all variable x one side, so 3x minus x equals, take this negative 6 on other side, become positive 6 plus 4. So 2x equals 10. So divide by 2 both sides. So x equals 5. We can check this answer. X value is 5. So here if you write x value is 5, so 5 minus 2 is what? 3. And 3 times 3 is 9. Here x value if you write 5, so 5 plus 4 is 9. So both sides we have same expression. So this answer is correct. Okay, you can sub anywhere. You can sub here or here. So better we write here because we have the same base. So x value we can write 5 here. So 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 times 3 becomes 9. If you want, I can do it here. So 5 minus 2 equals 3 to power 5 plus 4. So 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 times 3, 9. So 3 to power 9 equals here 3 to power 9. So this answer is correct. Okay. So next question, 2 to the power x plus 3 plus 2 to the power x equals 288. In these two terms, we have 2 to the power x here, 2 to the power x here. So common is 2 to the power x, and what remains 2 to the power 3 plus 2 to the power x. This cancels one time, it goes 1 equals 288. X plus 3 means 2 to the power x times 2 to the power 3. Yes, so if you write 2 to the power x times 2 to the power 3, so when we have the same base, powers are added. So it can be written as 2 to the power x plus 3. Yes, the same way here, 2 to the power x plus 3 means 2 to the power x times 2 to the power 3. So 2 to the power x, we have both sides, take out common. So it remains here 2 to the power 3 plus 1. Okay. So now we can solve for x. So 2 to the power x, and this becomes 2 to the power 3 is 8 plus 1 equals 288. So 2 to the power x times 9, 8 plus 1, 9 equals 288. So divide by 9, divide by 9. So cancel. So 2 to the power x equals 9 3s 27 and 9 2s. So 2 to the power, what we can write for 32, 2 to the power x equals 2 to the power 5. So x equals 5. And check this answer, x value is 5. So here you can say x value is 5, 2 to the power 5 is 32. So here also we have 32 and answer is correct. Okay. So similarly, next question, 3 to the power t plus 3 minus 3 to the power t plus 2 equals 1458. So what is common here? 3 to the power t common. So take out 3 to the power t common. So we have 3 to the power 3 minus 3 to the power 2. 1458. So 3 to the power t. This becomes 3 times 3, 9 times 3, 27 minus 3 times 3 is 9 equals 1458. So 3 to power t, 27 minus 9. 27 minus 9 equals 18. 1458. So now divide by 18, divide by 18. So 3 to power t equals, now calculate 158 divided by 18. You get 81. So again, we have to make the same base. So 81 can be written as 3 to power. So 3 times 3, 9, times 3, 27, times 3 is 81. So 3 to power 4. So x equal t equals 4. You can check this answer. T is 4. So you can write here 3 to power 4. So 3 to the power 4 is 81. Here also we have 81. So it is correct. Okay, next. You have some questions here. You can practice this. So I hope you like this video. Please like and share. Thank you.